Hello. So today again we'll discuss one question which has appeared in the previous CAD paper. Today we'll touch the geometry part, or else we'll discuss one question which is from geometry, as geometry is one of the important chapter or else important topic, as you all know. As far as CAD is concerned, geometry is one of the important topic. A lot of questions will be there from geometry, especially triangles and circles. These two are the major part which you have to keep in mind. Let's move to the question. It's given, let C be a circle of radius 5 meter having center at O. Let PQ be a chord of C that passes through point A and B, where A is located 4 meters north of O and B is located 3 meters to the east of O. So let's see. Suppose this is the circle available, and I have drawn a chord here. Let's consider PQ is the chord available. Let PQ be a chord of C and passes through point A and B, where A is located 4 meter north of O. So A is located 4 meter north of O. So this is center O, and A is at this point, which is 4 meter north. Right, so north means proper north. We'll consider proper north here, and B is located 3 meters east of O. So B is at this point, which is 3 meters to the east of O, and definitely it's a right angle triangle available here. So this is my figure provided here. Then the length PQ in meter is nearest. So nearest, that means will not be using the Pythagorean triplets completely, and if it's nearest given, that means it will not be a perfect square. Whatever is the value I'll be using, it's not a perfect square, as definitely we'll be using Pythagoras theorem in these cases. Okay, so first thing is it's a right angle triangle. Now since it's a right angle triangle, what are the important things we need to keep in mind? First thing is Pythagoras theorem, and the second thing is, if there is a chord available from center, if we drop a perpendicular, that will always bisect the provided chord. Right, these two are the basic information we should keep in mind. Right, so first thing is, from this center I'll drop a perpendicular here, and this perpendicular will definitely bisect the provided chord. So let's name this one as C for the time being. So that represents PC should be equal to CQ. If I'll be able to find out PC, I know the value of CQ and I can work on, or else vice versa. Second important thing, I can definitely identify what is the value of OC. As it's a right angle triangle, so I'm using Pythagorean triplet. This part AB will be 5 centimeters in this case, 5 meters in this case, and I can find out OC. As it's a right angle triangle, area of a triangle is nothing but half into base into height, so I can say half into 3 into 4 is supposed to be nothing but half into 5 into OC. Now I can work on OC here. OC will be nothing but how much? 12 by 5, or else 2.4. So I have the value OC available with me. Now since this length is 2.4, and I'll join any of them. Let's consider OQ. If we'll join OQ, which is my radius here, and this radius will be nothing but 5, or else PO, any of them, this value will be 5 here. Now according to this, if we'll consider a triangle OCQ, OCQ, it's nothing but a right angle triangle. So I can definitely utilize the Pythagoras theorem here. So according to this, I can say 5 square is definitely equal to 2.4 square plus OC square, sorry, CQ square. CQ square, that's my condition. So let's take 5 square. 5 square is equal to 25 minus, sorry, equal to 2.4 square. So 24 square, let's consider nothing but 576. So I can say 5.76 plus CQ square is the value available, right? So I can say CQ square is 25 minus 5.76 here, right? So the value CQ square is 19.24, right? So that represents CQ approximately. Let's talk about approximately this value, right? So as we know, if I'll consider 20 also, so we know 4 square is nothing but 16, 5 square is nothing but 25. It lies somewhere in the middle, so I can say somewhere around 4.5, right? So approximately nothing but 4.5. If it's approximately 4.5, I can definitely say the value PQ will be double of 4.5 or approximately 9. My value is supposed to be nothing but approximately 9. So the nearest value available here is nothing but 8.8. My value will be nothing but 8.8 here. Right, so it's more over related to the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so that's one question of the day. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us. Thank you.